I got to thinking about this. Well, actually, I thought about it yesterday, but um, if there were, so you know how they say that the wind, carried sand and soil and dumped it in places over billions of years, and that's how you get, hills and things like that. Well, I got to thinking, well, if that was true, wouldn't we see evidence of that happening now today? Um, and the simple answer, no. But I want you to think about something. So, yesterday I went fishing, and I normally fish with my father. Um, we went to Devil's Lake. Devil's Lake points north and south, so and then there's a bluff here and a bluff here, and so whenever there's a north wind or a south wind, it pretty much tunnels because the two bluffs, it tunnels the wind down through the lake. Um, and so it can be like the wind can be blowing 5 miles per hour in the city, but at Devil's Lake, it's really blowing if there's a north or south wind because the wind it tunnels the wind down into the valley of the two bluffs. And I got to thinking, well, if the wind really does carry, soil and sand and stuff like that and dumps it, wouldn't that be an area where the, sand and dirt would be dumped? I mean, obviously, if that were true, because the wind tunneling the, through the bluffs, that should be, and there shouldn't really be a lake there. But there's a lake and it's called Devil's Lake. But if that were true, that really should be nothing but another hill.